Yeah, working as a missionary is something that one can think that he really has done something for the Lord. When Jesus was here, he was healing sick people. He was going around to touch them and give them back their health so they can be of witness to him. Here I am not preaching here, but I am doing my part in healing these people.
Mugonero Adventist Hospital, located in the hills of Rwanda overlooking the Great Lake Kivu, is a 104-bed facility that ministers to the needs of some 70,000 villagers who seek attention annually. The medical work began here in a tent back in 1931, while construction of the first hospital ward took place. As people began to trust the medicine of the missionaries, the hospital expanded to become a nursing school that was established in 1941. Unfortunately, the Civil War in the 1990s claimed some 800,000 lives. Today, a memorial stands at the Mugonero Hospital entrance as a silent witness of the violence that took place inside the hospital more than 20 years ago. Today, the nursing school continues to prepare staff, and missionaries still support the medical work at Mugonero Hospital.
Working here in Rwanda, in Africa, as a medical doctor is something like having a fulfillment of your dreams. Coming here as a missionary and helping people around. Here in the hospital, the most common surgical patients that I have here are those hernias, intestinal obstruction, volvulus. Some are coming with goiter, some with breast cancer. Those masses, they come here and seek for any intervention.
Many patients who come to Mugonero Hospital don't have enough money to pay for proper treatment. So instead of refusing or referring them on, Dr. Jesse finds them a place on the schedule.
So with that patient, I usually just have them on schedule, and when on the table, I will, of course, in every operation that I have to pray before doing it. So I have to pray and then do my best, and sometimes I can even hear myself that somebody is just whispering to me what to do. So I'm happy for that. And most of the time, these patients, they go home with problem solved, and that it's also a fulfillment to myself. Though we cannot just really communicate verbally, but I can see in their faces that when they go out, they smile at me and saying that, thank you, I am okay now.
Dr. Jesse has been serving in Africa as a medical missionary for over a decade. He worked in Kenya, Ethiopia, Democratic Republic of Congo, and now Rwanda. He wants his life to be an example for his children and others as they consider a life of service.
Coming here as a missionary, you cannot get a big reward financially. We don't count the money that we get from time to time, because we know that there's something up there that is prepared also for us, working for Jesus.
Your prayers make a difference in the lives of those who dedicate their time to serve. Thanks for your support of mission.